Yes, good morning, guys, and welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. Right, today we're going to talk about. Before that, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for you to have a notification for our incoming video. All right, good morning once again, and welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. Right, today we're going to talk about what is the difference between our machine with other supplier or other installer or other company. So in this topic, I'm going to share with you what is the difference, what is our advantage of having our machine. First, we're going to talk about the skid. Okay, skid. What is skid frame? Basically, skid frame is the structure, the main frame. This is the main frame of the water refilling machine. All right. The big advantage of our machine is we are using the stainless grade 304. This is used for indoor and outdoor application. So you didn't need to worry anymore about the corrosion. What is the corrosion? Corrosion is the yellowish or the rust of your machine. Okay, that is mostly the cause of that one is the salty water or environment. So that's it. The big advantage is we're using the stainless grid 304, and at the same time, if you can see this one, this is the control panel. This is where you're going to control the switch of the row pump, product pump, and the reverse osmosis pump. So the big advantage is some of the manufacturer they're only using the plastic or the PVC or the how do you call this one, the acrylic board in using this one in the control panel. But in our business, in our manufacturing, in water process standard, we are using the stainless mirrorized grade 304 1.2 mm plate. This one. So the big advantage is it is shiny. It is shiny at the same time corrosion free. Others are, I will not mention. Others are only using the acrylic type. I'm going to show you what is the acrylic. We're using only the acrylic on the insulation, something like this one. This is an acrylic board. When this is we're only using this one because to avoid contact, or it is a non-conductor type of material. So we're using this one in this control panel because this one is uh, the electricity or the main control of the machine is in this portion, so to avoid contact with the metals, so we're only using the acrylic boards. So so in this part we're using the stainless grade 304, and also at the bottom portion is the is where the flow meter, and the gauge is located. Some also manufacturers are using the acrylic, but in our manufacturing we're using the stainless grade 3 for mirrorized stainless plate. This is 2 mm thickness. So that is a big advantage on our machine. Okay, so you know where to find the best manufacturing in our machine. Of course, the machine is being welded with tungsten inert gas. So what is tungsten inert gas? It is called TIG welding. It is a combination of argon gas and electricity to weld the stainless tubes, square tubes, something like this one. So it has a great penetration when it comes to welding. And of course, we're using the PPR pipes, okay, in our purification line. So this is antibacterial German quality uh, antibacterial pipe. So that's it. That's one of the big advantage of the machine of water process. And of course, another one is some of the installer in this portion, the control panel is open at the back portion. So it is not closed type. So in our manufacturing, in our fabrication, it is being enclosed. So all the control panels is inside. So this one is subject for covering, and at the bottom also it's not yet finished. So in our manufacturing, the big advantage is the control panel where the electricity is being located. It is covered by stainless and insulated with the acrylic board. And of course, also some manufacturers are not insulating the wires from, for example, this is the feed or product pump. No, this is the row pump. The the electricity line that is connected with this motor is not being insulated. But in our fabrication, we are insulating the wire to avoid electric shock all the way to the control panel. See, some of our premium installation we're using this one, this cable duct. Okay, so so that's it. One of the big advantage of our installation, we're using the stainless grade 304 uh, material, and at the same time, the way we fabricate, the way the structure is being fabricated, you don't need to worry about the electric shock. So one of the most important uh, parts and things to do in making a machine, water refilling machine, because water refilling machine is prone to electric shock. So to avoid that one, you must all insulate the uh, the conductor or the electricity. Yes, you must insulate and properly enclose the area. So that's it. One of the big advantage right here on water process and engineering services machine. Thanks for watching the video.